Hey there, Internet! My quest to become the world's nerdiest person continues, and today I'm going to show you how to multiply numbers together that are in between 10 and 20. Doesn't matter what the numbers are, you can use the same technique, and the reason why I'm doing this video now instead of later is it's related to my last video where I showed you how to square numbers between 11 and 20. The technique is very much the same. Let's get into it. Here's what you do. Let's say we have 12 times 13. What we do is we take the number that's in the ones place of either one of these, but I'm just going to do it with the one on the bottom for each one of these, and we add it to the other number, and we jot that down. So in this case, it's 3 plus 12 is 15. So we go ahead and write a 1 and a 5, and just like in the last one, we leave kind of a blank space there. I'm trying to show you how this works in my brain anyway. And now the next thing we do is we multiply the numbers in the ones digits and we drop it straight down. So in this case we have 2 times 3 is 6, and we drop it straight down, and that gives us the answer. In this case we get 156. Moving on to the next example here, we have something a little bit more difficult. We have 15 times 17. We do the same thing. We go ahead and add 7 to 5, which is going to give us 22. And we jot that down, and we leave a little blank space here. And now we multiply 5 times 7, which of course is going to give us 35. So I'll put the 5 there, and the 3 here. And this is kind of how it works in my head. Not really. I mean, it's not a blackboard in my head, obviously, but this is the best I can do to illustrate this. And we just add straight down, which of course is going to give us 255. Let's go on to 12 times 19. In a case like this, where we're multiplying 12 times 19, we do the exact same thing. We add 2 to 19, which is going to give us 21. So we jot that down and leave a space, and then we multiply straight down. 9 times 2 is 18. So we put the 1 there, the 8 there, and we just add it up. And I actually do the adding as I multiply. I guess the best way to think of it is let me grab another color so I can illustrate this. I have the 21 and I leave a space, then I multiply and I get 18, and I just think 21, 22, 8, if that makes sense. 21, I multiplied, I get the 18. I know I have to increase the 21 by 1, so I think 2, 2, and then 8 for the 18. And the last one here is going to be the hardest illustration that you're going to have for this. If you did 19 times 19, that you would follow the rules for 19 squared. I showed you how to do that in my last video. Go ahead and look at that if you want. For these rules, 18 by 19 is going to be the hardest thing you're going to find. You do the same thing once again. Let me switch back to yellow so everything makes sense. You add 8 to 19, which is going to give you 27, and you leave a space. And now you multiply 8 times 9, which is going to give you 72. And now I should have put that 2 up there, but you get the idea. It'll add up the same. And now you just add them up for 342. And that's how you multiply numbers from 11 through 19. And actually, I should say 12 through 19. Reason being, if you need to multiply a number by 11, you should go look at my multiplying numbers by 11 video, and that will show you a much easier way of doing it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye-bye.